Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Personalise based on your Inferred identity on your account on Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click privacy and safety, and now click privacy and safety. Now here you'll find Inferred identity, just click on it, and here you'll find Personalise based on your Inferred identity, just click on it like this and this will be turned off, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.